Welcome. In this video, I'll be walking you through the simple steps on how to turn off snooze on a pinned chat in the X app. Whether you snoozed a conversation by mistake or you're just ready to get those notifications back, this guide will help you fix it quickly. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your messages. Once you're in, head down to the bottom menu and tap on the message icon. This will bring up your conversations list, including any pinned chats you might have. Next, look for the specific pinned chat that's currently snoozed. You'll notice that snooze chats usually display a small snooze indicator, so they're easy to spot. Once you've located the right one, press and hold on that pinned chat. A menu will pop up with several options. From here, what you want to select is the option that says Turn Off Snooze. Simply tap on it, and instantly the snooze setting will be removed from that conversation. This means the chat will go back to functioning normally, and you'll start receiving notifications again whenever new messages arrive. It's that easy. Just a quick long press and one tap, and your pinned chat is back to normal. This can be especially helpful if you don't want to miss important updates or if you accidentally snoozed a chat and didn't realize it at the time. And here's a tip. If you ever need to snooze that same chat again, you can repeat this process, but instead, choose the snooze option. That way, you're in full control of what alerts you want to pause or resume. So, to recap, open the X app, tap on the messages icon, long press a pinned snoozed chat, then tap Turn Off Snooze. That's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to manage snooze settings on your pinned conversations in the X app. With these steps, you'll never have to wonder how to turn snooze off again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide helped you out.